Welcome to my channel. This is me Fatma Khan here and you are watching Fan Color with Fatma Khan. In today's video I have some mini canvas in which I am gonna paint some textured flowers which are also called impasto flowers. For my paintings what I like is to cover my canvas with 2 or 3 layers of gesso, in which the final layer is going to be the most thinner, and I add 2 parts water and 1 part gesso into the final layer and mix my background color. And here I am done with my gesso or primer. I recommend drawing a rough sketch so you have a little less control over knife than the brush, and we are gonna work with our knife, and yes, we don't want any mess. And the technique is to just make the broader upper part and gather all the strokes towards the stem. This would be more easier if you have the particular knife which is used to make the broader strokes, but here I am having the one and only knife, so I have to make it broader by myself. Actually, impasto is a technique, impasto or textured painting, in which we use some thickened acrylic paint or oil paints, whatever you want to, or we can also use some thickening glue or thickening gel to thick the normal paint. When you are painting or doing any kind of art, just make it sure that you are not so much stressed about making a perfect thing, but the only thing you have to do is to enjoy the process.